Trying to install an Economaster EM3728 fan motor, old one had 3 wires, this has 5, trying to verify correct wiring.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
An hour.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I have.
Sorry for delay. Do you still need help?
I think so. Hubby just needs to verify the correct wiring. This fan motor is different than what came off. He had to go to work, though, so won't be able to do it until tomorrow.
Yep, I do a lot of these, and there are 2 ways. Does he have a new capacitor also, and if so, is it 2 sets on top or 3? Or if you do not know, I could draw it both ways and give you a drawing to follow. I could send it in 20 minutes or so.
It did come with a new one, but he wasn't necessarily changing it, I believe. He did mention that the numbers on them were different, but I don't remember what he said they were. The new fan has yellow, green, purple wires, then a white, brown, black and a white/brown. He is on nights tonight. Is there any way he could resume this chat tomorrow? I just don't know that I can be much help.
Yes, not a problem at all. I will draw up something and send with a link. Then he can look that over and respond back on this question. Billy.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Once I send it, do not respond. Just wait until ready to continue, or the system forces a response from me. I am confident we can get this hooked up. These motors have generated a lot of questions. Have a great night, Billy. The difference is if you use a 2-pole capacitor or 3. With 2-pole, black to contactor, white to contactor, brown to one side capacitor, brown/white to other side capacitor, no other wires on cap. Only the 2 brains, green to ground, 3-pole cap, black to contactor, white to other side contactor, brown to F on 3-pole cap, tape off BRN/white, and do not use green to ground, pick attached. Let me know if any questions, Billy.
That got it. Thank you so much for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.